What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to sync your video and audio clip in Premiere Pro. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. After working on your video and audio in Premiere Pro, you might want to make sure that some of your audio is linked to a video clip. This can happen when using multiple camera angles to record an interview, and while editing, you need to make sure that your main audio channel is linked to some of your footage. Hold Shift and click on all of your media which needs to be synced together. You can also click and hold to select your audio and video. When this is done, right-click and select Synchronize. On this window, make sure that audio is selected, and after clicking on OK, your clips will be synced. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.